In a world driven by logic, we like to believe our choices are rational, that we buy, decide, love, and live through reason. But what if, behind every decision, there's an invisible pattern of irrationality guiding us? This is the world revealed by Dan Ariely in his groundbreaking book, Predictably Irrational: The Hidden Forces That Shape Our Decisions. A journey into the human mind, not to show how chaotic we are, but how consistently illogical we can be. The myth of rationality. Economists once said people are logical, that we weigh pros and cons before every decision, but Ariely's experiments prove otherwise. He shows that our brains take shortcuts, influenced by emotions, expectations, and even the way choices are presented. We are not perfectly rational thinkers. We are emotional decision-makers pretending to be logical ones. And that, surprisingly, makes us predictably irrational. The power of comparison. When you buy a phone, a car, or even choose a partner, you don't always pick what's best. You pick what looks better compared to others. Ariely calls this the relativity trap. We judge value not in isolation, but in comparison. That's why companies design pricing tiers, to make the middle option seem just right. We think we're deciding freely, but the choice has already been guided. The magic of free. Imagine two offers, one chocolate bar for $1 or another one, smaller but free. Most people grab the free one, even when it's worse value. Ariely found that the word free changes everything. We stop thinking rationally and act emotionally. The cost of zero creates excitement, removing all hesitation. Free isn't just cheaper, it feels like winning. The battle of social and market norms. In social life, we help friends because it feels right. In business, we work because we get paid. But when these two worlds mix, problems arise. Ariely explains how companies lose loyalty when they turn friendships into transactions. Once money enters the equation, warmth disappears. Humans thrive on connection, not just compensation. Expectations and perception. Our minds don't see the world as it is, but as we expect it to be. Ariely's experiments showed that people enjoyed wine more when told it was expensive. The label shaped the experience. Expectation becomes perception, a mental trick that rules everything from marketing to relationships. The honest cheater. Most people don't lie completely. They cheat just a little, enough to gain benefit but still feel honest. Ariely discovered that small moral flexibility is built into human nature. We justify minor dishonesty to protect our self-image. Predictably Irrational reveals the hidden forces shaping our everyday life. It teaches us that knowing our irrational patterns doesn't make us weak, it makes us wiser. Because once we understand how emotion, perception, and context control our choices, we can finally take control back. We may never be perfectly rational, but we can learn to be consciously irrational. End title: Predictably Irrational by Dan Ariely. Understand your mind, shape your decisions, change your world.